Dear residents and businesses, I would like to give an update on things happening in the village at this time as they relate to the coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 outbreak. As of today, there are no confirmed cases within the boundaries of Niles. As always, the village's top priority is to promote the health and safety of our residents, customers, employees, and our community at large. The village's current decisions and actions are made based upon guidance from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, which recommends limiting in-person interactions to prevent exposure and spread of COVID-19. The village has closed all our public buildings to the public to maintain the health of our staff so that they can continue to provide essential services to our residents and businesses. Essential services such as public safety will continue to be offered with no reduction, while other services will be offered in a limited capacity by phone and email. The village will be sending out periodic messages via the village e-news and updates to our village website during this time to keep our residents informed of current information that we have available to us. The village is taking unprecedented measures to address the health, safety, and welfare of our residents during this crisis in accordance with recommendations from the CDC and federal, state, county agencies. I have declared a public health emergency in order to obtain all necessary resources at the village's disposal to confront the situation. The Village of Niles has an excellent leadership team that has worked tirelessly to make critical decisions on behalf of village residents in the face of this threat to public health. I, in concert with the Board of Trustees, ask that you continue to support our local businesses during this time. The governor has ordered all restaurants and bars closed until the end of the month. However, most of our local restaurants will be able to provide drive-through or take-out options. A list of restaurants and their services are listed on the village's website. Please also consider adding a tip to your order, since many of these employees are minimum wage earners who rely on tips to pay their day-to-day expenses. If you are not able to use carry-out, please consider purchasing gift cards at this time for use at a later date so that our local businesses can meet their payroll. This includes all of our local businesses, not just restaurants. Our community restaurants are also listed on the Niles Chamber of Commerce and Industry website or on the village's website. If you have been listening to the news, you are probably aware of shortages at the grocery stores. The village has spoken with the managers of many of the Niles stores, and they continue to struggle to keep up with demand. Please do not try to overstock up on items that will prevent others from obtaining the food and sanitary items that they may need immediately. The U.S. Small Business Administration, the SBA, is offering designated states and territories low-interest federal disaster loans for working capital to small businesses suffering from substantial economic injury as a result of the COVID-19. For any inquiries about possible state and federal aid to help alleviate economic injury caused by COVID-19, please do not hesitate to reach out to our village administration at 847-588-8010. With many people unable to work and children not attending school, the Niles Food Pantry needs your help. The Niles Food Pantry needs canned goods, paper products, and personal items. They also accept cash donations as perishables can be purchased. Food donations for the Niles Food Pantry will be received by appointment. Please call the Niles Family Services at 847-588-8460 and leave a message to coordinate drop-off. If you are in need of food, please call for assistance. The village will continue to keep you advised as further information becomes available. The situation has been changing daily and sometimes hourly, so we are attempting to keep everyone advised of the latest developments in our area. Let us hope for the best, but take extra precautions to prevent the worst. If you have any questions that the village can't answer or suggestions that can help our residents, please feel free to call the Village Hall at 847-588-8000 or email contactniles@vniles.com. Thank you, and please remember, wash your hands and do it often. Thank you.